You should now be redirected to your online store's dashboard. Navigate to the Online Store section in the left menu and click on Themes. This will take you to a page where you can manage your store's themes. Next, click on Customize for the theme of your online store. This action will open up the customization options for your chosen theme. Now, locate and click on the Footer section. This will bring up a menu on the right side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the option for Policy Links. Enable this option to display links to your policies in the footer of your website. If you haven't already written your policies, you can do so by clicking on Policy Settings within this menu. Here you can write and edit your policies as needed. Once you've enabled the policy links, they will appear in your footer. That's it. You've successfully added policy links to your Shopify footer. If you found this tutorial helpful, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day or night, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.